We have to have 2 billion dirham AED, right, as a capital minimum capital requirement required to operate a bank. And what we have a very strong shareholder network who is contributing to this capital, right? So this capital has already been secured, and we are already ready to operate with the capital needed to start the bank.
And so what is the strategy? Because at the same time, there's lots of incumbents in the banking system domestically. They've already developed their digital proposition and they know how to make money on the back of lending. So how is Zand going to compete in this market when it eventually gets underway and business operations begin?
Yes, so it's an excellent question, Danny. In fact, if you look at the digital agenda of the UAE, of the country as a whole, is very ambitious, right? And what you can see is that in this country, you have more and more digital players. I think everybody realizes that to be able to support all these new digital players, you need a native digital bank that has also a very strong data infrastructure. So that's what is differentiates ourselves from other banks in the market. And in fact, if you look at the way we build the bank, I always say, if you want to build a digital bank, don't try to build a bank. Build a platform with a banking license. And so from this philosophy, we are able to do many more products and be able to integrate well above other banks with the digital ecosystems that you have in this market. And this is how we will differentiate ourselves.
And when it comes to differentiation, I know last time we spoke, you said Zand would be offering interest rates on deposits of around 2%. Is that still the case?
It's more than ever, because as you see, the interest rate has been going up significantly. So right now it will be at least 2%, I can tell you, and we are looking what is going to be our launch final number. And this is obviously based on a raise of interest rates that you see all over the world right now.
So what is the proposition for customers, and is that the ultimate strategy here, to offer rates of interest that are competitive enough to get people to switch salary accounts, etc., and then you can offer products on top of that?
So exactly. So you see, when we look at the strategies, it's three kind of pillars. One is to attract, right? So is having the kind of product that is going to attract clients to come and try us. Then we need to have some product which are around engaging the client, right? Once you're there, what kind of activity you can do, what kind of loan you can get, what kind of budgeting capabilities you have, what are all the ancillary products that you can offer the client. And then when you have acquired, engaged, you go into the transact. And we have a lot of product in terms of transaction, in this country with a lot of expats. Obviously, remittance with a good rate is a very important one. We have all kind of transaction capabilities. We have also a debit card with a lending facility attached to it. So, and all that backed with a fantastic data analytics platform that will ensure that we address the exact need of client at any point in time.
So we can expect the app to be out and users on the platform before the end of this year?
Definitely before the end of this year. In fact, user on the app on the retail side will be from 1st September.